What's up everybody, welcome back to Toe Game Masters. Today we're going to do a bumper LED light bar install on our 2011 Tacoma. There are 3 bolts on each side of the crash bar, as you can see there. You're going to need to loosen up the 14mm on each of the outer side ones, and that's where the light bar bracket's installed to. First off, we're going to remove the grill. It's going to be 2 pop clips on the side and 2 10mm bolts in the middle. With the grill removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the bumper. There is 4 10mm bolts on each side, and there's a bunch of pop clips underneath, as well as a few pop clips above under where you took the grill off. With the bumper removed, you can see that the crash bar has 3 14mm bolts on each side. We're going to remove the 2 outer ones on each of these, and that way it'll allow us to install the light bar bracket. Next, we're going to install the 32-inch LED light bar, and we're using the hardware that was provided with the light bar. With the light bar install, we're going to have to modify the front bumper grill. We're going to have to cut off this entire section. With the bumper trimmed out for the light bar, we're going to go ahead and test fit this. Looks like the bumper fits back perfectly. As you can see, the light bar fits perfectly with the cutout. Unfortunately, the camera ran out of battery while I was recording for the wiring portion of the install, but this is what the LED light bar looks like when it's turned on. And this concludes our bumper light bar install. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.